Aquarius, this is your channel messages for all the Aquarius placements. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and celebrity tarot reader. Aquarius, first thing I was hearing, someone smells so good. I was getting that. But also, I'm getting someone's scent turns you on. Control your willy. Control your willy, Aquarius. Control your tits. Tell your tits to stop being that hard. Either way, this is your channel song, Aquarius. Let us go. Aquarius, what we say? For the longest time, we're jamming in the party, and you're whining on me, pushing everything right back on top of me, yeah. But if you think you're gonna get away from me, you better change your mind. You're going home. You're going home with me tonight. So let me hold you. Come caress my body. You got me going crazy on. Turn me on, turn me on. Let me jam you. Boy, come whine around me. You got me going crazy. Turn me on, turn me on. Got me on like a light switch. Mama, light switch. Mama, light it. Mama, light Spragga Benz. 100 grams on the bumper, cocking higher, and then she whining hard. Got that python hollering from mercy, and then I was when his head said harder, and then he said to me, girl, just push that thing, push it harder back on me. Aquarius, I wanna hold you. Come, you got me going crazy. Aquarius, turn me on, turn me on. Turn me on. Now, Aquariuses aren't the signs to be turned on. They're air signs and very cerebral. They want to be best friends with you first before them actually be intimate with you. But I'm getting the scent of someone is scintillating, and obviously it is causing a chemical eruption in the pants. You understand? I'm getting you turn somebody on. You turn them on like a light switch. Okay, Aquarius? Anyways, so maybe this has to do with somebody in a past life. Cause you're whining on me, pushing everything. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your past life reading. Aquarius, we're gonna see who you were in a past life. Maybe you were somebody who needed to come caress my body. Maybe that's why you don't like when people caress your body. Because the girl was pushing it too hard on you in the past life. God. Let's go, Aquarius. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what your past life entails. Who were you? We have a Fool card. Well, you seem like you're the same person as who did we do? I don't remember. I'm getting you were a nomad. You used to roam, backpack travel, you used to hike across the nations. So you probably was definitely Caucasian. I'm getting used to backpack, or you used to mountain hike, you used to camp out in the woods. What did you do? The 8 of Wands. I'm getting you used to do this and you used to vlog it. So I'm getting you were a vlogger, you used to do survival videos. I'm getting people know you. Or whatever you do, you communicated. Maybe you are a tour guide. Where you tour people through the Amazon or through the desert or through rock climbing. Meaning whatever you were doing, you didn't travel heavy and you never even have a permanent place of living because you were at so much different places. You did communicate with a lot of people though. This could also be like something like a, what do you call that? I don't want to say cult, but something like you did start your own spiritual group, okay? What challenges did you face? The 7 of Swords, I'm getting theft. Maybe people stealing from you, people uploading your content, or me getting you never get paid for this. Me getting majority of your life you never have money, you have to steal and make a way. That's the challenges you face, you never had money, you had to steal, maybe to work for people for get things. So you are a so-called nuisance to people, I guess. How did you die? The 5 of Swords. You're dead after you thief something. I'm getting you thief something and them confront you about it and kill you about it. So I'm getting you die a theft. You died a thief. Or that's what was said. I'm getting you get stabbed. But I'm getting you see something and you take it up because you never have it, and then people them cuss you about it and you tell them say no, you know. I don't know what kind of argument you're in, but I'm getting that's why you're dead. Altercation because of theft. What lesson did you learn? The 6 of Wands. I'm getting you stay true to yourself though. No, the 8 of Wands is, and the 8 of Wands is matching the 6 of Wands. So I'm getting a lot of people that like you. Maybe you never thief. The 7 of Swords is theft though. So maybe you promise people to do things for them and you take their money and never give them. I not see Pentacles here. But I'm getting a lot of people that like you, a lot of people that know you, they will talk to you. You are in communication with a lot of people. You are the crowd's favorite. Everybody know you. Maybe everybody knew you as a man who, oh, see Mira come, you always walk down the road as a nomad. But I'm getting when you're dead, a lot of people didn't know who you were when you're dead. Or something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. What? How have you been influenced by this? The Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. I'm getting in this life you run down money, because last life you never think about money. There was not about money. There was all about who you knew. You lived off of the land. And me getting anything else, you're just a thief. So now this life, maybe you're learning about money. You don't like to spend money on that broke. When are you going to give me a job? I told you want a job? You can go down to the YMCA today and get an application filled out. Stop saying that! Ain't no YMCA, bitch. When are you gonna get me a job at the hospital? You want a job at the hospital? Listen, you can go check into the mental health facility. Stop saying that! I'm not mentally ill. When are you gonna get me a... Never mind, let me not say that. I experienced jealousy for the first time yesterday. Anyways, let's go. That's how you know you're jealous, when you see a guy look on a girl. Why the fuck was he looking on her that way? He was looking at her like this. Why the fuck would you do that in front of me? I was so jealous yesterday. Why would you look at her that way? I mean, if you like her, that's okay, but you never tell me you like her. Probably, I don't know you actually, but you shouldn't be doing that in front of me. The fuck? You're looking at that girl like that. He looked like he was in love. Okay, fine, be in love. God, Hollis, let's see, Tabanak, Sakama. Be in love. I was just, this is an emotion I do not remember getting. I was so jagged. Must be nice. Wish I could get it, but it's taken, so. I'm sorry. I'm trying to talk to him, but he's not trying to talk to me, cause Scarborough, no, say look. I can't bother. We have handler. I'm sorry. I'm a Taurus, okay? Please understand. Trust no one. Yeah. You can't even trust a person you don't know. Why was he looking at her that way? I'm sorry. I can't help myself. No phones allowed. We have Virgo and one more. Recording devices. I would leave it here. I'm so embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed. They love you. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.